Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the most fun things to do for kids in Nashville, Tennessee. We'll visit amazing places like the zoo, a science center, and a park with a giant playground. Get ready for an exciting adventure in Nashville. Let's go. First stop, the Adventure Science Center. This place is like a giant playground for your brain. You can explore cool exhibits like a giant human body, a space room, and a weather station. There's a whole area just for little kids called the Adventure Tower, with a super fun slide and lots of hands-on activities. If you're feeling brave, you can even try the zip line. My favorite part is the planetarium. You get to lie back in comfy chairs and watch a show about the stars and planets. Don't forget to check out the museum store before you leave. They have all kinds of cool science toys and souvenirs. The Adventure Science Center is the perfect place to spend the day with your family. Get ready to meet some amazing animals at the Nashville Zoo. This zoo is home to animals from all over the world, like giraffes, lions, monkeys, and even kangaroos. One of the coolest things about the Nashville Zoo is the Gibbon Islands. You can walk through a tunnel and see the gibbons swinging from tree to tree right above your head. There's also a petting zoo where you can get up close with friendly goats, sheep, and even a llama. The Nashville Zoo is a great place to spend the day with your family. Next up, we're heading to Cheekwood Estate and Gardens. This place is like something out of a fairy tale. There are beautiful gardens, a giant mansion, and even a museum with cool art. The gardens at Cheekwood are amazing. There are so many different kinds of flowers and plants, it's like walking through a rainbow. Inside the mansion, you can see how people used to live back in the olden days. They have fancy furniture, beautiful paintings, and even a secret room. Shh, don't tell anyone I told you. Cheekwood also has a really cool museum with all sorts of interesting exhibits. Before you leave, make sure to stop by the gift shop. They have unique gifts, like handmade jewelry, local honey, and even plants you can take home and grow yourself. Have you ever wanted to go to Greece? Well, now you can. Kind of. Nashville has its very own Parthenon, and it's amazing. Inside the Parthenon, you'll find a giant statue of Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom. You can also learn all about the history of the Parthenon and Greek mythology. The Parthenon is located in Centennial Park, which is a great place to have a picnic lunch or play some frisbee. There's also a lake where you can rent paddle boats. Visiting the Parthenon is like taking a trip back in time. Get ready for a magical experience at the Nashville Children's Theater. This theater puts on amazing performances just for kids, like classic fairy tales, exciting adventures, and even funny musicals. The actors are super talented and really know how to keep kids entertained. The Nashville Children's Theater also offers workshops and classes for kids who love to act, sing, and dance. It's a great way for them to learn new skills and make new friends. Before the show, make sure to stop by the concession stand and get some popcorn and a drink. The Nashville Children's Theater is a special place where kids can let their imaginations run wild. Do you like cars? I love cars. There's something so exciting about the roar of an engine and the sleek designs that make each car unique. Whether it's the speed, the style, or the history behind them, cars have a special place in our hearts. And the Lane Motor Museum is a car lover's paradise. Located in Nashville, Tennessee, this museum is home to an incredible collection of vehicles that will take you on a journey through time. They have over 330 cars and motorcycles from all over the world, each with its own story and unique design. It's like stepping into a time machine and seeing the evolution of transportation right before your eyes. Some of these vehicles are really old. Imagine seeing cars that were built over 100 years ago, still looking as magnificent as ever. You can see cars from the early 1900s, showcasing the craftsmanship and innovation of that era. These cars are not just modes of transportation, they are pieces of art. Sports cars from the 1960s are also on display, capturing the spirit of freedom and adventure that defined that decade. These cars are all about speed and style. And don't miss the futuristic-looking cars that seem like they are straight out of a science fiction movie. These concept cars give us a glimpse into what the future of transportation might look like. My favorite is the Amphicar, a truly unique vehicle that can drive on land and float on water. It's like having a car and a boat all in one. Watching the Amphicar drive into a lake and then float away is an unforgettable sight. It's a perfect example of human ingenuity and creativity. The Lane Motor Museum is a great place to learn about the history of transportation. It's not just about looking at cars, it's about understanding how they have shaped our world. You can see how cars have evolved over time, from the earliest models to the latest innovations. It's fascinating to see the technological advancements and design changes that have occurred over the years. And you can even learn how they work. The museum offers interactive exhibits that explain the mechanics behind these amazing machines, making it a fun and educational experience for kids and adults alike. Don't forget to check out the gift shop before you leave. It's filled with cool souvenirs and memorabilia that will remind you of your visit. The Lane Motor Museum is a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for a unique outing, this museum has something for everyone, so buckle up and enjoy the ride. Get ready for some fun in the sun at Cumberland Park. This vibrant park is a haven for families and kids looking to enjoy a day filled with laughter and excitement. Whether you're a local or just visiting, Cumberland Park offers a delightful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This park is located right on the riverfront and has something for everyone. There's a giant playground, a splash pad, a climbing wall, and even a carousel. The scenic views of the river add to the charm, making it a picturesque spot for a family outing. The playground at Cumberland Park is amazing. It's designed to cater to kids of all ages with various sections that offer different types of play equipment. From toddlers to older kids, everyone can find something fun to do. It has slides, swings, monkey bars, and so much more. The equipment is modern and safe, ensuring that kids can play freely while parents can relax knowing their children are in a secure environment, and even a zip line. This thrilling feature is a favorite among the more adventurous kids, offering a rush of excitement as they glide through the air. There's also a special area for little kids with a sandbox and a small slide. This section is perfect for younger children who need a safe and engaging space to play. On hot days, the splash pad is the perfect place to cool off. Kids can run through the water jets, splash in the fountains, and have a blast while staying refreshed. Kids can run through the water jets, splash in the fountains, and enjoy the playful water features that make the splash pad a highlight of the park, and even play on a small water slide. This adds an extra element of fun, making the splash pad a must-visit spot within the park. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try the climbing wall. It's a great way to challenge yourself and have fun at the same time. It has different levels of difficulty, so it's perfect for kids of all ages. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced climber, there's a route for you. So it's perfect for kids of all ages. Parents can join in too, making it a fun family activity that everyone can enjoy together. And for a more relaxing experience, take a ride on the carousel. This classic attraction brings joy to children and nostalgia to parents, making it a timeless favorite. Cumberland Park is a great place to spend a few hours or even the whole day. With its diverse range of activities and beautiful setting, it's no wonder that it's a beloved destination for families. So pack a picnic, bring your sunscreen, and get ready for a day of fun in the sun at Cumberland Park. Who says museums are boring? If you think museums are just quiet places with old paintings, think again. The Frist Art Museum is anything but boring. Located in the heart of the city, this museum is a vibrant hub of creativity and inspiration. They have all sorts of cool and interesting art from all over the world. You might see paintings, sculptures, photographs, even video installations. The variety is endless, and there's always something to catch your eye. The Frist Art Museum is always changing its exhibits, so there's always something new to see. Whether it's contemporary art, historical pieces, or themed exhibitions, you can always expect a fresh experience. They also have special programs for kids like art classes, workshops, and even summer camps. These programs are designed to inspire creativity and help kids develop their artistic skills in a fun and engaging way. One of the coolest things about the Frist Art Museum is the Martin Art Quest Gallery. This interactive space is a favorite among young visitors. This gallery is just for kids, and it's designed to be a hands-on, interactive experience. It's full of interactive art activities that let kids explore their creativity. From drawing and painting to digital art and sculpture, there's something for every young artist. You can create your own artwork, experiment with different techniques, and even take your creations home. Experiment with different art materials like clay, paint, and digital tools. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. And it's not just about making art. You can also learn about art from different cultures. The museum features exhibits that showcase art from around the world, giving kids a chance to explore and appreciate diverse artistic traditions. After exploring the museum, be sure to stop by the Frist Art Museum Cafe. It's a great place to relax and enjoy a snack or a meal. The Frist Art Museum is a great place for kids to learn about art and be creative. It's a place where imagination comes to life, and every visit is a new adventure. Get ready for some outdoor fun at Fannie Mae D's Park. This park has something for everyone, from a giant playground to walking trails to even a dog park. The playground at Fannie Mae D's Park is one of the best in Nashville. It has a huge jungle gym, a tire swing, a rock climbing wall, and even a splash pad. If you're looking for a place to take a walk or go for a jog, Fannie Mae D's Park has you covered. There are paved trails that wind through the park, and you can even walk all the way to the Parthenon. Fannie Mae D's Park is also a great place to have a picnic. It's a great place to relax, have fun, and enjoy the great outdoors. Get ready for a rootin' tootin' good time at Lucky Lad Farms. This farm is a working farm, which means they have real animals you can see and interact with. You can pet the goats, feed the chickens, and even milk a cow. One of the coolest things about Lucky Lad Farms is the petting zoo. Lucky Lad Farms also has a ton of fun activities for kids, like pony rides, a corn maze, a giant jumping pillow, and even a playground. And if you get hungry, there's a concession stand that sells snacks and drinks. Before you leave, make sure to stop by the gift shop. Lucky Lad Farms is a great place to spend the day with your family. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our list of top things to do in Nashville for kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun videos. See you next time.